Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can release music on Spotify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that explains perfectly everything you need to know about publishing music on Spotify. So right now, we're gonna jump right to how to publish your music on Spotify as an artist. To get your songs on Spotify, just follow these steps. Firstly, create a Spotify account, then claim your artist's profile, upload your music, fill out the information about your songs, and submit your music, and that's it. So, right now, let's have a closer look at each step. The first thing you'll need to do is create Spotify account. Once you have the app installed, open it and click on Edit Profile. In the menu, from here, you need to click on Manage Your Artist Profile. This will take you to a page where you can claim your artist profile. This is how it looks like. So, to claim your artist profile, you'll need to have an existing presence on one of Spotify's partner platforms. This could be a social media platform like Facebook or Instagram, or it could be a music distribution platform like CD Baby or TuneCore. Once you've claimed your artist profile, you'll be able to start uploading your music. To do this, click on Upload Music in the menu and follow the prompts. You'll need to have your music files in a format that Spotify can accept, which is either MP or MPEG. Then, once your music is uploaded, you'll need to fill out some information about each song. This includes the title, artist name, release date, and more. You can also add album network and the lyrics if you want. After you've filled out all the necessary information, click Submit. Your music will then be live on Spotify for people to listen to. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.